Question 1. What is prompt engineering?
Hey guys, have you ever heard of something called prompt engineering? It's a fancy term that refers to how we talk to AI systems like ChatGPT in order to get the best responses possible. So, for example, when we talk about prompt in ChatGPT, we're referring to the text that we give to the AI system to generate a response. Essentially, it's the message or question that we type into the chat box. It could be Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. Sometimes it's text and sometimes it's voice command. Both are prompt. But here's the thing, the way we word our prompt can have a big impact on the type of response that we get from ChatGPT. That's where prompt engineering comes into play, which means giving the AI more information to work with in order to generate a better and more specific response. So, in summary, prompt is the message or question that we give to ChatGPT to generate a response, and by using prompt engineering techniques, we can improve the accuracy and relevance of the AI's response. Basically, instead of just asking a simple question like "What is a computer?", we can give the AI more information to work with. For example, we could say, "Can you explain what a computer is in a way that a 5-year-old could understand?" By doing this, we can get more accurate and targeted responses from AI systems like ChatGPT. So the next time you're trying to get information from an AI, remember to use prompt engineering to get the best results possible.
Question 2. What skills do you need as a prompt engineer?
If you want to be a successful prompt engineer, you need to have some pretty important skills. Specifically, you need to be really good at writing and communicating. As a prompt engineer, it's your job to create clear and concise prompts that AI models like ChatGPT can easily understand. This means you need to have great writing skills, so you can articulate your thoughts and ideas effectively. But it's not just about writing, you also need to be a strong communicator overall. This means being able to give clear instructions and convey your ideas in a way that's easy for others to understand. With these skills, you'll be well on your way to becoming a top-notch prompt engineer.
Question 3. Should I know coding as a prompt engineer?
As a prompt engineer, you don't necessarily need to know how to code, but having some basic coding knowledge can definitely be helpful. While you won't be doing any actual programming, understanding how code works can help you create better prompts and work more effectively with AI models like ChatGPT. So, while it's not a requirement, if you're interested in becoming a prompt engineer, learning some coding basics can definitely give you an edge.
Question 4. What are the prerequisites to become a prompt engineer?
To become a prompt engineer, you'll need a few key skills. First and foremost, you need to be a strong writer and communicator, since you'll be crafting prompts for AI models like ChatGPT. Additionally, having some basic coding knowledge can be helpful, though it's not strictly necessary. And of course, a strong interest in AI and natural language processing is always a plus.
Question 5. Is it hard to learn prompt engineering?
Learning prompt engineering can definitely be a bit challenging, especially if you're new to AI and natural language processing. However, with the right resources and dedication, it's definitely achievable. There are plenty of online courses and tutorials available to help you learn the skills you need, and practicing with AI models like ChatGPT can help you get hands-on experience. So while it may not be the easiest thing in the world, with some hard work and perseverance, you can definitely become a skilled prompt engineer.
Question 6. How much does a prompt engineer earn?
The salary for a prompt engineer can vary depending on a few factors, such as your level of experience and the company you're working for. That being said, in general, the average salary for a prompt engineer in the United States is around $100,000 per year, though this can vary significantly depending on your location and other factors. Overall, it's a rewarding and potentially lucrative career path for those interested in AI and natural language processing.
Question 7. Is it a good career to choose for future?
With the increasing demand for AI and NLP, pursuing a career in prompt engineering may prove to be a lucrative option for individuals with the necessary aptitudes and attitudes. It is even predicted by some specialists that prompt engineering will become a fundamental skill for all internet users, similar to how Googling became essential in the early 2000s.
Question 8. Can I learn prompt engineering on my own?
Yes, it's definitely possible to learn prompt engineering on your own, especially with the wealth of online resources and courses available. While having a formal education in computer science or a related field can be helpful, it's not strictly necessary, and many people have successfully taught themselves the necessary skills to become skilled prompt engineers.